Namaste and welcome. This is a special podcast as part of the fourth edition of the Professor V.S. Mallar Memorial Legal Aid Competition 2025-26, organized by JSS Law College, NLSIU Bangalore, and Department of Justice, Government of India. Today, we have with us a senior IPS officer, D.K. Thakur sir. Sir has over 31 years of experience in policing excellence. Sir has served as an SP and SSP in over 10 districts and has served as ADG Anti-Terrorist Squad UP and Dial 112. Sir has also served as Police Commissioner Lucknow and has also served with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Sir is currently serving as the Director General of the UP Special Security Forces and the Civil Defense Department. Sir is known for his integrity, discipline, and uncompromising yet people-friendly policing style. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us the permission to host you.
Welcome.
Sir, our theme for the podcast is freedom from violence, the legal provisions for safety and security of women. And my first question would be that in offenses, particularly against women, there's a stigma that prevents them from reporting the crime, whether it is rape, dowry-related offenses, or domestic violence. The law recently says that zero FIR is a new concept and it is mandatory under BNS section 173, and any police station must register it. What are your views and how crucial zero FIR becomes in the cases relating to women and offenses against them, sir?
Yeah. When we discuss about crimes against women, there are two distinctive types. One is domestic abuse and one is external abuse. When we talk of domestic abuse, that is marital discord and marital violence, extra, and we say dowry-related violence, dowry-related death also. And when we talk about external violence, that is rape, maybe eve teasing, chain snatching, etc., etc. So, keeping this hesitation and other fear of women in reporting crime in police station, going there, keeping these things in mind, now this BNSS has provided for zero FIR and also online FIR. We can say electronic FIR. Zero FIR means ki if there are judicial police stations, normally you have to report a case where a particular offence has been committed. But if you are not comfortable in going there, or if you are not in that jurisdiction physically present, you can report that crime to any police station in India, irrespective of the jurisdiction. And that FIR will be transferred to that police station for further investigation. That is zero FIR, and that we are resorting to. There is one more thing, that is electronic FIR, online FIR. You can send your complaint to police station via electronic channel through WhatsApp or mail, etc. But in that case, you have to access that police station within 48 hours to confirm that you have submitted that complaint. Only after that, that complaint will be converted into an FIR. But keeping all these things in mind, in UP, under our able CM, we have started this term of Mission Shakti Kendra and Mahila Help Desk. As you rightly said, women hesitate and fear approaching the police station. So all police stations have been given Mahila Help Desk, which are manned by women or lady police constables or lady SIs. So if you have to, a lady or a woman approaches a police station and she has to report or lodge a complaint regarding any offence, she has to directly talk to women constable, lady constable. So just to minimize the chances of hesitation and fear, we have started this thing in UP, and this has been going on for last 5 years. This is the scheme of things in UP.
Okay, so advancement of technology and syncing it with law has definitely changed a lot, sir. Sir, when we talk about crimes related to women, human trafficking is also a very major crime. In 2011, I read in a news that you personally elevated the anti-human trafficking unit in Lucknow into a full-fledged police station. And a few months ago, in October 2025, I read that the current DGP is also emphasizing to promote it in various districts. And this has been promoted in the whole country as well. Section 143 of BNSS defines and also defines the punishment. Have you ever encountered any such crime related to trafficking in your journey, and how do we youngsters fall into those traps,
Yeah.
and how to prevent ourselves?
When we talk of human trafficking, it is prevalent for all. It's not it is limited to only girls or
Girls.
ladies, but mostly only girls and ladies are affected by this crime. And you have to think human trafficking. Why does it happen? Human trafficking happens mostly on those areas which are poverty stricken.
Yes.
You will find most of the area of Bangladesh border, bordering Bengal, they are heavily affected by this human trafficking. I was in BSF also in West Bengal, and we were looking after Eastern Command, Eastern border, bordering Bangladesh. So those areas were heavily affected by this human trafficking, and these touts, they were used to visit those areas, visit and approach the parents of young girls and offer them lucrative job offers and lucrative marriage offers also, and they will then lure them away, and they will then push them in all those crimes. So this is one part. And another part is when we traffic young boys for labor. So keeping all these things in mind, Government of India, this is Government of India scheme, when ASTU, Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, police stations have been established in all districts. In all this, you will find there is one ASTU Thana, which is only concerned with human trafficking cases. They are specialized units. They are being given specialized trainings also, and they coordinate with all other units also, and they work to prevent this human trafficking. And whenever any human trafficking happens, they try to detect and recover those childs, maybe girls or boys. This is the matter.
So, sir, talking about the sexual harassment of women at their workplaces, it requires multiple. It has multiple provisions such as establishment of an ICC, but again, a stigma comes in, and the employers think that they might lose their job if they report to the ICC. How can they approach the police, and what powers do police have to help them out in such cases?
About sexual harassment in official places, in offices, there is this thing ICC, there is POS also,
Oh, sure.
Prevention of Sexual Harassment. There is no bar in approaching police station, directly police station. But in those areas, for those employees, under Supreme Court guidelines, these ICCs have been formed, and they have been mandated. Each and every organization having a certain number of women employees or employees are mandated to form this ICC, and they have to work under POSS POS. And if that is preliminary inquiry, ICC can only produce a preliminary inquiry report which confirms or denies whether that thing sexual offense has happened or not. Based on that inquiry, a police action can be initiated. Based on that inquiry, any disciplinary or departmental action can be initiated against the accused person. But what I will advise to your podcast to those women employees, if you find that after approaching ICC, your case has not been covered, your case has not been suitably heard, you must approach police station. You must lodge your complaint with police station, so that police can directly take its action.
So the police will ensure protection, and
Police will ensure all those things. Once FIR is lodged, they will start investigation, and they find if the case is true, they will arrest the accused person. They will also ensure your protection and other things.
Sir, the fourth question is kind of a situation where a woman goes to a police station, and she has been exposed to domestic violence. So there are three routes available to her. First is the criminal route under 498A, which will punish the husband, and the trial will go on for long. There is only 12% conviction rate. The other one is the other act, which is a civil act, and they will sort the issue out, and settlement will happen between them. And the third is to go directly to the protection officer. What is the most suitable path in this, and which is the one that is most sought by the complainants?
I think the criminal action is most suitable sought, most sought by those persons, and under that criminal action also, we initiate this mediation process also under Supreme Court guidelines and High Court guidelines also. If there is complaint regarding domestic violence or dowry-related violence, we don't immediately register FIR, or even if we immediately register FIR in cases of severe violence, severe grievous injury, unless there is grievous injury, we don't register FIR. And if there is grievous injury, we register directly FIR and we can initiate the criminal process. Otherwise, if there is no grievous injury, we start mediation process. Mediation process in all police districts, you will find there is a family center.
Yes.
Family dispute resolution center or family dispute resolution clinic also. Those are called family clinic also. So they start mediation process. Both parties are called, they are heard, and if there is any chance of mediation, if there is any chance of settlement, they are happily sent back to their home. Otherwise, we start criminal action. And they can initiate that thing also, what you say, Bharan Poshan Bhatta something, under old 125 CRPC.
Yes.
So that is separate process. Otherwise, if you find if any women is affected by dowry violence or domestic violence, I would advise she must approach police station.
Sure, sir.
She should not avoid that.
Lastly, sir, what will be one message to all the youth who are watching this podcast and also the women who are affected by such crimes? What should they do?
My message for all the youth, or especially women for watching your podcast, will be: you must have faith in your police. You must have faith in your criminal justice system. After all, the police or the persons who are manning this criminal justice system are all part of your society only. They have not come from any alien planet or something like. We have to build this, we have to strengthen this, and we can do this together. Thank you.
Sure, sir. So we need to raise our voice. There is no need to maintain any stigma or any fear in our mind. Our police system and our judiciary is with us. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us the opportunity to host you. Thank you so much.
Not sure.